Welcome to DWF Gallery. I'm Don Fortin. In my first video, I like to talk to you a little bit about how I got started working with hardwoods. It actually started about 11 years ago as a hobby. My daughter asked me to build a little box for her. I copied a design that I had purchased from a store many years ago, and I built this box for her. I thought to myself, you know what, I can do better than that. So after countless hours on the internet doing research and finding out what other products were out there as far as boxes were concerned, I ended up learning about joinery, gluing techniques, laminating, and I've come up with the design I have today. After drawing ideas out on paper, I finally got the look I wanted, and so I built a box. The response from the public was positive. So I ended up building 2 or 3 different types of more boxes and doing a trade show. Once again, I stood back, listened, and observed. I've always liked the box. There's something special about the intrigue of wondering what's inside. That's why it's important to me to build an attractive box that compels you to open and look inside. Once open, the inside has to be amazing. It's that wow factor that I'm constantly after in my products. I've spent many years of experimenting and I've come up with the design that you see today, taking anywhere from 25 to 65 hours to build. And now you can find my products in galleries and homes in US, Canada, Australia, and other countries throughout the world. In subsequent videos, I'll be talking about some of my designs and showing how they're made in order to increase the enjoyment of owning one of my pieces. So check back or sign up to my email list to keep up to date with my specials and products. Thanks for watching.